Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In this video, we were talking about what is array. Previous video, we were also talking about what is array. So I understand you can't understand this topic very well and very best way. So we use array because if we want to take similar data type, if we want to declare a lot of variable name in one variable. For example, in this time we want to able 10 to declare 10 variable name. My first variable name is marks1, marks0. My second variable name is marks1. My third variable name is marks2, and then this variable is going to until the variable is not reach marks 10, marks 9. So this is my phone. So in my phone, if we print the value of marks array 10, so the value of marks array 10 is printed, but in your phone 10 array is including 0 and the excluding is n minus 1. If we suppose in this case you return n value, so excluding is n minus 1. So I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. So first of all, we take input with user a marks, enter a marks, and I also printed enter a marks. We use scanf function. We say %f because in this case we make a floating array. We declare 10 variable name, which is 10 variable which is capable to take any floating point data, and then we say m% marks 0. So I copying this program and then I paste 10 times. So 10 times is so very big amount. I print 3 times, 1 2 3. In this case we write 1, in this case we write 2. We say array excluding is n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So we can't able to take 3 variable. We in your computer Visual Studio Code we can't able to declare a array 4 because 4 is excluding. If we say printf marks is, we say %d comma marks 0, and then we print this program. First of all we write selection for new line printed, and then if I copy this program and paste this program, we can't declare marks array 4 variable because 4 is excluding. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Most of the compiler cannot support you write n, you want to write n minus 1 in array. Suppose 4 is n, so excluding variable is n minus 1. I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. When I run this program, see what happened. This program say me enter a mark. For example, we say 8 9 9 5. So marks is 0 0 0. Why 0 0 0 is printed? Because this is a floating point data and we print integer data. So it give me error. It give us error when I say %f. When I run this program and I say 8 7 6 5, So say 8765 is printed. I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. I again repeated you, we use array if we want to, declare a lot of variable name in one variable. For example, in this case we want to declare a 4 variable name, so we say marks array 4. So in this case we declare 4 variable which is capable to store any floating point data. We say marks 0, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3, and then we also printed. I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. Take care of your guys. I after finishing this video, I give you a shortcut of this array. So the shortcut of this array is, we say hash include stdio.h. This library give us some function like printf and scanf, and then we write integer min for first execution, and then we say integer marks. We make 6 array. This array going to the memory space and book 6 integer variable space, and then we say marks if we say mark 6, and then we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in these values in this array, these values is stored in this array. If we print this program, if we say %d comma print marks of array 1, marks of array 0 for example, so when we say return 0, tell the operating system execution is successfully finished, and I completed this code. I run this program, see what happened. This program has given me error because we write the spelling of studio is wrong. So see what happened, it gives me error. We can't write terminator semicolon. When I run this program say me expected expiration. I can't understand why this function is giving me error. If we say integer, in this area we say integer, and then if I comment this code, when I run this program, see what happened. This program is not working very well and very best way. Again this program is not working very well and very best way. When I run this program again time, 1 is printed. So we say how this program is working. So in marks is 0, in this variable the first integer value is stored 1, and then in this variable the second variable is stored 2. Marks 1 in store 2, marks 3 in store 3. Marks 4, marks 5, marks 6, 4, 5, sorry, in this case 2, 3, mark 6 is equal to 9. So this is a shortcut to declare a to take the value of variable name. In this case we declare integer mark 6. Mark 6 means we were able to use 6 variable name. For example, mark 0, marks 1, mark 2, mark 3, marks 4, marks 5, mark 6. If I say mark 6 and when I run this program, 9 is printed. So 0 is printed. Why 0 is printed? If I run this program again time, 0 is printed. In this case, if I want to write 5 and then when I run this program, 6 is printed. In this case 0 is printed. This is my software problem. I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. Again I say you arrays, we use arrays. If we want to take similar data type with lot of variable, we want to declare a 6 variable in one variable. In this case we want to declare a 6 variable in one variable. Your task is take favorite character with user and print character using array. This is a simple program. This program say me you take favorite character with user. Take favorite character with user. You use scanf function and take favorite character with user and parent character using array. So first of all, you declare character. For example, you have 10 students. STD, you have 10 students, so declare 10 variable array name, and then we say you declare character student, and then you use scanf function to take input with user, student input with user, and your third task is parent. I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. Take care of your guys. Allah Hafiz guys. Bye bye. I also say you this is a shortcut to enter the values in arrays. So in marks 0 array, 1 is stored, marks 1 array, 2 is stored, marks 2 array, 3 is stored, marks 3 array, 4 is stored, marks 4 array, 5 is stored. So I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. Your homework is using shortcut, using array shortcut to declare character, using array shortcut to declare character. I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. Take care of your guys. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.